In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Square Appointments to website. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, click on Appointments over here on the left, then click on Online Booking and click on Channels. Now, whenever you do this over here, it's going to allow you to enable online booking if you haven't done that yet. And then you want to scroll down, and here you can do a bunch of things. So if you, of course, are using your Square online site, you could go and use this over here to link your Square Appointments site. So click on Get Started, and you'll be able to get started from there. Or you could go and of course use it on an existing site by clicking Get Started, and now you have a few options. You can get your booking flow URL by clicking over here. You could go and of course add a booking button to your website by clicking over here and then clicking on Done, and it's going to give you the button. Or you could embed the booking flow into your website using the embed code, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to click on Get Embed Code, and now your flow is going to get into a code here. You can just copy it by clicking this copy button, and then what you can do is put it to your website in a code block. So I have pulled up like an HTML viewer over here, so I'm going to paste this in right here, and you'll see on your website, when you do this inside your actual website, it's going to look like this. You basically have successfully embedded your appointments or linked Square Appointments to your website. Okay, so that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.